Okay, so it's the same again when you're trying to find the missing number, but this time they're not at the end, they're throughout it. So you've got to fill in the missing blanks. So again, look for the pattern. These two are next to each other, so it's easier to look what the pattern is between these two. So you've got 718, 708, so you're going down. So you're not going to be adding, you're going to be taking away because the number is decreasing. So you've got to work out what the difference between these two numbers is. Now, quite simply, you can spot it because the unit is the same, the 100 is the same, and it's the 10 that has decreased by 1. So it's gone from 10 to 0. So that is take away 10, or take away 1t. Okay, we've just lost 1t. We've lost 110. So it's decreased by 10. So that's obviously going to be the pattern throughout each one now, because it has to be the same pattern throughout the whole thing, throughout the whole sequence. So from 738, you know the 100's going to stay the same, you know the unit's going to stay the same, it's only the t that is changing, and it's decreasing by 1t. So 3t will become 2t, or 30 will become 20, because you've just taken away 10. And then you can work out this one. Now, because it comes before, not after, you're going to have to do the opposite to work it out, because this one has to be the bigger number because it's decreasing this way. So again, the 100's going to stay the same, the unit's going to stay the same, it's the t that's going to change, but we're going to do the opposite because it's going to be the bigger number. So 3 add 1t is going to be 40, or 30 add 10 is going to be 40. But it's still going this way as take away 10. 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Now this is the trickier one because your hundreds is going to change now, because 708 is going to go more, is going to go before 700. So if you do 708, put that in your head and count backwards, you could do it that way. Or keep the unit the same, and you know that 0, you can't go less than 0, can you? You've got nothing left, so you're going to have to go back to the beginning as it was. And you know that before you get to 700, your 10 would be 90. Okay, so it goes 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 0 again. So we know we're going to have 90, and it's going to be the hundreds that change. We've dropped below to the hundreds before. 700, before that would be 600. So we've still taken away 10, and you could have worked that out by counting backwards, or just by taking away your 10, taking away your 1t.